In today's video, I'm going to be talking about plugins that work really well with MemberPress coming up. Alright, so the reason why I'm recommending these plugins is because I really want your membership website to function really well and seamless. So let's start with the first thing, and this is your page builder. So the page builder here is very important because this allows you to highly customize your website and design it with all these features that these page builders come up with to make your website look really professional. So I know you might be tempted to go with WordPress Gutenberg editor, but to be honest, it's very limited and you don't have the design flexibility. So this is why I would recommend page builders. And in my opinion, I would go with Divi because it comes with a lot of extra features, and also the pricing structure is really good. And as part of the Elegant Themes membership, you also get this plugin called Bloom, which helps you grow your leads on your website. So this is used as an email opt-in or lead generation plugin. So this, you don't have to pay extra. It comes in free with your membership. And if we take a look here, this plugin has a lot of features. It allows you to create all these different types of opt-in forms and also pop-ups. And this is compatible, or it integrates with MailPoet and Convertkit as well. And if we take a look here, it also has A/B testing, very good stats, and you can also compare between different versions of your opt-ins to make sure you tweak for which one is working great. Okay, so in fact, before I forget, if you do buy Divi using my affiliate link, which I'll add in the video description below, I will give you access to my course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. The course is called Web Design Formula. And also, if you buy MemberPress, this also comes with a course that teaches you how to put everything all together to make sure you have a fully functioning membership website. All right, so let's move on to the next thing here. So here I have cart flows and WooCommerce. Now, the reason why I'm adding this in, I know it's an extra cost, but this has a lot of benefits. This allows you to build landing pages for your memberships. So these landing pages are going to be beautifully designed, and it also allows you to add upsells, downsells, and beautifully designed checkout pages. So here, Cartflows comes with a membership, a yearly membership. It's about $299. So I know this could be a bit of a stretch if you're really starting off, but this will make really great use if you were to add these two plugins. And also, just to mention, if you add these upsells and downsells, it's also ideal that you have quite a lot of courses on your website, because you need to have enough to upsell, downsell, and so on to make this really work. And not only does it work with courses, it also works with pretty much any product. So when you install WooCommerce, so let's say your first membership, let's say it could be a gold membership, you set it up in WooCommerce as a product. And what you could do is, as you upsell, you could say, right, on your checkout page, you could upsell to the higher level, which is probably platinum. And on the platinum, you could give a discount, and this is how it would work. And if they take you on that as well, you could also even upsell to a lifetime membership. So on the back end, this is how you're going to be making quite a lot of money on your membership website. So I highly recommend that you add sales funnels onto your website. It is proven to work really well. And Cutflows and WooCommerce really work well together. Now, one thing I also want to add here is, I know MemberPress comes in with its own payment systems. You can totally bypass that and then use WooCommerce as your payment gateway. So with WooCommerce, it also comes in with PayPal, Stripe, and also other payment gateways, all integrated into one. So this works really well. But there's one thing I need to mention though, and that is, if you want to add subscriptions, then I wouldn't really recommend going with this option, because to add subscriptions onto this system here where you have Cutflows and WooCommerce, you do need to buy a plugin called Woo Subscriptions, and that's an extra $200. So you can see here, it starts adding up very quickly. You will have $299 here for Cutflows, and if you need subscriptions for Woo Subscriptions, you're going to be paying another $200, because WooCommerce here is free. So in that case, if you're just going to have subscriptions, I would just stick with MemberPress, and because it has the subscriptions inbuilt in the whole system already. So I just thought I'll just mention that because it's very important. Okay, so moving on, you're also going to need, if you're selling courses on your website, LearnDash has a fantastic integration with MemberPress, which adds subscribers onto your courses onto those memberships that you would have created. So it's very, very powerful that you integrate LearnDash with MemberPress if you're selling courses on your website. Otherwise, you can just go in and specifically go to the type of content that you want to protect, and pretty much that's it. Now, one thing that is a must when you set up your membership website is to have an email autoresponder. And in this case, I highly recommend MailPoet, and that's mainly because it has a deal on AppSumo, and that deal is active right now. I'll add a link to the video description below. But if you want to go with something a bit more advanced with a tagging system and more automations, I would go with Convertkit because it has a tagging system. It has way more features than you'd have with MailPoet. But if you're just starting off, you can start off with MailPoet and set up your grow your mailing list, and with that you can upgrade once you start making money. So these are the two options that I have. Sometimes starting off with ConvertKit could be way overkill because it has a recurring amount. So I would say start off with MailPoet first, with their $49 for the first deal package that they have on AppSumo. Otherwise, once that deal is gone, you're going to go back to your regular monthly subscription, which I would say you would go with ConvertKit because it has more features. Okay, so I've mentioned LearnDash and ConvertKit. Oh, in fact, before I forget, here on ConvertKit, what you can also do is to send automated emails. In fact, MailPoet, both of them, MailPoet and ConvertKit, do the same thing. They also send automated emails. So all this integrates really, really well together. So WooCommerce here integrates with LearnDash, or it integrates with MemberPress as well. And here on the theme builder, I forgot to mention that the theme builder itself, without adding Bloom, also has a module that allows you to create beautiful opt-in forms. So this can also integrate very well with MailPoet. And in your email sequence, you can then now send your emails and promote your membership levels if you have memberships, or even your courses. So sometimes you may think, okay, so what's the point of using LearnDash if I need to buy MemberPress? Well, MemberPress does a fantastic job of making sure that permissions are given to the right subscribers, to the right courses, or even the right content. So this is why MemberPress is really, really powerful when it comes to that. So these are the plugins, or this is rather the setup that I would highly recommend if you want to run a membership website. And the good thing about this as well is this can grow with your website. So you can add unlimited courses here, and your email system, you can email unlimited emails to your mailing list. And over here on Cutflows, you can create unlimited funnels. And over here on WooCommerce, as I mentioned, it's absolutely free. And here with the Divi theme builder, you can buy the lifetime license and you can build as many websites as you want. But of course, if you're in a bit of a budget, you can go with the $89 a year. And to be honest, this will be a great investment. So these are the sort of things that I would recommend that you add to your stack when you build your membership website. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified every time I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.